Come here. Walk over here. Come here.
It's too dangerous.
No, it's not. He's not going to hurt you. Come here. Just walk along the grass's edge right here.
Ow! Mommy, do it.
Come here. Walk right here. Walk along here.
Ow, ow, ow,
I told you to shut the door.
Why did they cancel the beach today?
They'll probably go later.
Is he a sea turtle or a snapping turtle?
I think he's a box turtle.
It's a box turtle.
Come here, babe. Come here. Stay here. Stay. Don't walk across that grass. Sand spurs, Bodie.
I'm staying on this rock. I don't get sand first.
Come here. Slow. Slow, slow, slow. Look at the turtle.
Slow. Why
The
did you
turtle?
guys cancel the beach today?
Oh, don't get too close to him. No, don't. Yeah, you can pet him.
Yeah. Why did you guys cancel the beach today? What? He's doing it in the road. If I only had shoes on.
Whoa.
I really need to fit my Spider-Man shoe on.
He might bite you, babe. Hey, you guys want to go to the beach? Alex, you guys want to go to the beach? You want to go to the beach?